What's going on, guys? Let's talk about some sleeping positions that might help relieve some of the shoulder pain you're feeling at night. So my number one absolute favorite position that I don't see enough people talking about is creating a canal or a tunnel for your shoulder to unload some of the compressive forces. In most cases, the patients that I see in the clinic who have shoulder pain, it's the side that they like to sleep on. So this is the trick. You're going to take a pillow and you're going to position it under the rib cage so that when you're sleeping, instead of all of the pressure being right at the point of the shoulder, the pressure is absorbed through the ribs. And if I have to, I'll put an extra pillow under my head. Now, you're probably looking at this and being like, there's no way I can keep that little pillow in position. You're right. So use a larger pillow. But the idea here is that now I've got the pillow under the rib cage. I've got two pillows under the head. I've got decompression going on at the shoulder joint itself, which should give you some extra time before the increased pain kicks in. This is just one of several recommendations. I'll try to record a couple other videos highlighting other positions for individuals who like to sleep either flat on their back or on their stomach. But by far, this is the one that's probably the most popular and people have had the most success with. So give it a try. Let me know in the comments what you think of it, and I'll catch you on the next video.